Welcome to the next generation of budget-friendly performance. If you have been searching for a way to enter the world of PC gaming, content creation, or high-end productivity without spending thousands of dollars, your search ends right here. This is the 2026 Amazon bestseller from STGAubron, a machine that defines what it means to get the absolute most value for your money. From the moment you unbox this desktop, you'll see that it isn't your average budget PC. It features a stunning, modern mid-tower chassis equipped with a transparent side panel that showcases a clean interior and vibrant, customizable dual RGB fans. These fans don't just look amazing, they are engineered to provide consistent airflow, keeping your components cool and stable even during the most intense gaming sessions. Under the hood, this system is built to perform. It is powered by a robust Intel Core i5 processor that reaches speeds of up to 3.6 GHz. This gives you the multi-threaded power necessary to handle modern gaming, video editing, and heavy multitasking without breaking a sweat. To handle the visuals, we have the Radeon RX 550 with 4 GB of dedicated video memory. Whether you are climbing the ranks in competitive shooters or exploring vast open worlds, this GPU provides a smooth and responsive experience. But power is nothing without speed. That is why this build comes standard with 16 GB of high-performance RAM, allowing you to run multiple applications and browser tabs simultaneously with zero lag. For storage, the 512 GB SSD ensures that Windows 11 Home boots up in seconds and your favorite games load faster than ever before. You won't be sitting around waiting, you'll be playing. In 2026, connectivity is everything. This PC is fully future-proofed with the latest Wi-Fi 6 technology, giving you ultra-low latency for online gaming and lightning-fast download speeds. It also features Bluetooth 5.0, making it effortless to connect your wireless controllers, headsets, and peripherals. Everything is pre-installed and professionally configured, meaning there is no complicated setup required. Just plug it in, and you are ready to dominate. At a price point under $400, finding a pre-built system that balances style, power, and modern features is incredibly rare. This is why it has become the top choice for thousands of gamers worldwide this year. Stop settling for low frame rates and outdated hardware. It is time to upgrade your digital lifestyle with a machine that can actually keep up with you. Click the link in the description right now to check the latest stock and pricing on Amazon. Don't miss your chance to own the best valued gaming PC of 2026. Secure yours today and start your next adventure.